Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and today's topic is very important. All are preparing a exam, anything exam just like a medical and general exam, yeah, maybe a study of school. It is very important topic today. So listen this. Before 5 minutes your exam. So students listen carefully. If your exam is near and you are feeling stressed, confused, yeah, underprepared, then this video is a last weapon for you. In the exam few minutes before, I am giving you a most important concept, trick and revision strategy that can literally push your marks from averages to definitely 90 plus. Don't skip, don't pause the video because every second is matter. Most student makes one big mistakes. They study a lot but revise wrong. Because of that, they forget in the exam. They panic and they lose easy marks. But today I'll fix that completely. First rule, don't try to study everything. Again, instead, focus on your important topic only. Revise formulas, key points and concepts. Use this method. First, open your notes. Step 2, read fast. Don't do deep. Step 3, highlight only important lines. And remember, revision is not reading, it's a recalling only. If yes, perfect. If no, revise again. Now listen carefully, it is very important. To score high marks, you need to follow three things. Okay, first, concept like ratta memorization. Don't just memorize, understand the topic. And logical, practice previous question. Most question repeat exams. Solve at least 5 years paper always. Third, time management. Write your paper like these easy questions. First, medium, second, hard, last. This will boost your confidence constantly. Avoid this mistake of any cost. Study new topics at the last time. Overthinking during examination, not reading question properly, wasting time on one question instead. Stay calm, read carefully, attempt smartly. Top students are not smart. They just make clever mistake. One day exam before, do this. Revise formulas, go through short videos, don't start anything new, sleep properly. Most important, his not need confidence alone can increase your mark by 10 to 15%. This exam is not everything, but it is a chance to prove yourself. You still have time. Even one day can you change to prove yourself. So stop scrolling, stop wasting time and start revise now. If you found this helpful, so imagine you are sitting outside the exam hall. Heart is beating fast, your hand is little cold, and your mind is full of thoughts. What, I forget everything? What if the paper too hard? What if I fail? Now listen carefully, because this is the exact moment that can change your result. Let tell you a story. There were two students. Both study whole year, but both had the same knowledge. But when they reached exam hall, everything changed. First student started panic. He opened his book again and again. He tried to read everything in the last 5 minutes. His mind became confused. His heart starting beating fast. Slowly, his confidence went down. Now the second closed the book. Yes, he closed the book, took a deep breath, relaxed the mind, and he said himself, I have already studied. Now I trust myself. He didn't try to learn anything new. He didn't panic. He didn't compare himself with others. Instead, he followed simple 5 minute strategy. First minute, he closed his eyes and took deep breath. Inhale slowly, exhale slowly, calmed his mind. He told himself positively, I can do this. I am prepared. I will give my best. Third minute, he quickly revised. Only important point, not everything. Just key ideas. Fourth minute, he stopped thinking completely. No overthinking. Just calms. Fifth minute. Yes, he smiled. Because he know confidence is more powerful. Last minute revision. Now both students entered exam hall. The first student was still confused. Forget answers. He made silly mistakes. Second student was calm. He was focused. Remembered things clearly. And guys, what? Difference was not knowledge. So remember, confidence in the last 5 is more power than fear in the whole exam. Remember this line. Your performance in the exam depends more on your mindset than last revision. And everyone is rushing. You stay calm. You follow your strategy and you walking in the exam hall with confidence because you are not prepared. You are ready and give you best. I am not going to give you normal advice today. I am going to tell you something that most students ignore. Topper always follow. Close your eyes for a second and imagine this. It's your exam day. There is noise everywhere. Some students are revising fast. Some are asking questions like, did you study the chapter? Do you remember that answer? And suddenly confident starts shaking. Your mind says, oh no, I didn't revise this. What if this question comes? What if I forget? everything, and without realizing. You open your book again. You start flipping pages fast. You try to read everything in the 5 minutes. But let me tell you the truth. In that moment, you are not learning anything. You are only increasing your fear. Your brain is getting overloaded. Focus is breaking. And slowly, your confidence is going down. Now imagine something different. Same place, same exam, same student. But this time, you are different. Instead of running behind your book, you step back. You take control. You take yourself, stop, I am not doing this, and you close your book. Yes, you close completely. People around you still revising, but you are not, because you understand something powerful. The last 5 minutes are not studying, they are for preparing your mind. Now listen carefully, because this is your 5-minute magic routine. So you disconnect, stay away from the crowd, don't listen to what others are saying, because their panic can become panic. Stand quietly, hold it for a second, feel your heartbeat slowing down. So let me tell you something different, not a story, not a lecture, but a real situation that happened with most every student. Picture this. You reach an exam center. You sit on a bench outside. And paper is about to start in 5 minutes. And suddenly everything changes. Your mind starts running fast. You remember random topic. You forget importance. You start thinking, should I revise one more chapter? Maybe I missed something important. Everyone else book more prepared than me. And then without thinking, you open your book again. Because no panic spread faster in your mind. If someone says this question will come, your brain starts doubting itself. So he avoids all of that. He creates a small space for himself. This is in his control zone. Slow down the body. Notice his breathing is fast. So he slows it down. He inhales deeply, holds for a moment, clear the mental mess. Now he does something powerful. He stops thinking about everything. No syllabus, no question, no fear, just silence. Because a messy mind cannot perform well. Clear mind can active confidence. Now he speak one question himself. Did I study honestly? And the answer is yes. Why I am afraid? I have already done my part. I will handle whatever comes. This is self-trust. Micro revision trick. Now here is the smart part. Maybe one formula, maybe one definition, maybe important concept. That's it. Not more that. Because the goal is not to study. The goal is to stay sharp. Mental rehearsal. How you imagine something. Imagine receiving a paper. Imagines reading calmly. He imagines answer calmly. This is like a practice inside the brain. And your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. So it's get ready. Energy shift now instead of fear. He brings energy. He sits straight. He relaxes his face. He gives a small smile because confidence is not thinking. It is a people posture. So I can say that your brain is not machine. If you overload it, you will forget even what you already know. Instead of learning new topics, focus on what already you studied. Uses 2-2-2 rules. Study of 2 hours, revise of 2 minutes, relax of 2 minutes. This a small method keep your brain fresh and active. Talk to yourself positively. Yes, it may sound strange, but it works. Say I am prepared. I can do this. Cause your mind listen to what you say again and again. Don't compare yourself with others. Always I am revising this word. It is very important to understand that. Some student studies all night. Some study in the morning. Don't have to copy anyone. Find your own way. Write. Don't just read before exams. Any student only read these notes, but writing one answer is equal to reading it 5 minutes. Control your phone. Not let your phone control you also. Just 10 minutes of scrolling can break your focus completely. So keep your phone away during a study time. Take proper sleep. If you don't sleep well, your brain will not work properly in the exam hall. Sleep is not wasting time. Keep your exam kit ready before time. Admit card, pen, everything. This reduces last minute stress. Don't discuss too much with friends before exam because something may confuse you more than help you. Trust yourself. You have studied. You have tried. Now just go and give your best. Remember, exams are not just testing your whole life. They are just testing of your preparation. Stay calm, confident, and believe in yourself. So it is very important. Firstly, in exam, start with easy question. Don't try to prove that anything by standing the hardest one. Easy answers. Build your confidence step by step. Manage your time smartly. Don't spend too much. Don't depend too much time on one questions. If stuck, move ahead and come back later. Keep your handwriting clean and simple. You don't need beautiful handwriting. Just readable and writing. Present answer also gives extra marks. Don't look others. Someone is writing fast. Ignore it. Everyone has a different speed and different paper. If you forget something, close your eyes for 5 seconds. and relax. Your brain often remembers things. When you calm down, ask keep some 5 to 10 minutes in. Use this time to check your answers. Sometimes small mistakes can be corrected easily. Don't leave any question blank. Even if you know, write something repeated. Partial answer can still give marks. Once you leave the exam hall, don't discussing answers again and again. Focus on your next exam instead. So lastly, believe in yourself. Stay focused. Give you the best. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video. And if you want more useful and simple tips, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Share this video along with your friends so they can also feel confident before exam.